Okay, just cleaning up the threads in the cases. I know I had an issue with this case. I've just flooded it with a bit. It's got to flood a bit more around this corner before I dress it back. Quite badly cracked and dinted, so that's going to come good. This one I'm a bit worried about. I'm going to have to try and climb up, build it up, and then drill through from that side, and then use that as holds the centre and spot face from that side. But it should come good. But when I was doing the threads in the cases, I've done all these threads on this side now. It was a piece of JB Weld that fell out, so I've got to flood that one and obviously grind it back, then drill the tapping size for 2BA, and hopefully it'll come good. So yeah, no, I thought it was there with everything done, but JB Weld strikes again. Anyway, we'll have a look at it when it's done, so see you in a bit, folks. Well, there's a few welding rods in there, so there's a bit of filing to be done, and same with the casing. I just put plenty on there, so it filled up quite nicely, melted in really well. So it's beer o'clock, and it's tomorrow morning is another day, and we'll have a file up and see what they come out. What I've done with the casing already, it's cooled down. I put some paraffin on the inside, and it's not leaking through, so that's going to be fine. And obviously this is more cosmetic than anything, because there was more than enough threads in there to start off with. It just looked a bit manky. Anyway, the pub is open, it's smoky in here, and I need some fresh air. So we'll catch you tomorrow morning, which will only be a few seconds for you, for the file up and the finishing touch. So see you later, folks. Okay, we've set up, so it didn't turn out, just cleaned it up. Didn't turn out too bad, very pleased with that. I've got it on parallels, she's clamped down. I've taken some measurements. It's obviously the 2BA, and according to Mr. Zeus, 2BA tapping size is 4mm, which is in. So I've moved the table, so I am exactly over the centre of the hole, and I'm 15. I want to go 15. It's actually not too bad. I think I've only got to take about 5 or 7 mil out. So I'm going to cheat. If I just put a bit of shim there, and I zero that, and that give me my 15. Definitely bled through. Need to grind that off. Look at that, it's melted. It has bled through. Right, we're off. Cutting. Thirteen, 14, 15. Okay. Run the tap down, should be perfect after I've got rid of that. So back in a second when we've tapped that, and we'll have a look at that other casing. I've not flattered it down yet. Let me just get the dross off it. I did pour some paraffin inside it and it's not leaked through, so I can just clean it up now. Hopefully when I clean it up I've not got any slag inclusions or anything in there, and it'll look good. So the other one's only cosmetic. So back in a second when we're on the other bit and I've tapped this one. See you in a sec. Okay, tapped quite nicely. So the main casings are finished, and this turned out okay. The only problem is I've just run out of argon and because I need to build that up to that height as well. But that's not going to stop me building the crank now, because the main bearings will be here this morning apparently. So the next one will be when we start to build the crank into the cases. So we'll catch you on the next video, guys. See you later.